Hello everyone. So let's first create a new user. So sign up and let's make it anything like mm, test. Phone number should be of 10 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Password for simplicity I'm taking it A and confirm. And now it will open the camera. It will now open the camera and camera is clicked my pic and now I can log in my account. And if you want to see, okay, it will again open the camera. Yes. Okay, now if I want to see how many users and where the user is created, so in the b project and data, see text with my image. So for the next time when the login is encountered, the code will open the camera and see the person in front of me. So as of now यहाँ तक बन गया है. इसके बाद अगर मैं क्लिक करता हूँ इसके ऊपर तो कुछ होगा नहीं, क्योंकि इसके बाद हम बनाने वाले हैं. तो बस